I want to bring us back to the quote that I shared last week from Unity co-founder Myrtle Fillmore. And she said, true prosperity is not making money or putting out goods or developing property. It is determining what our souls require in order to cause them to unfold more of God, and then how to harmonize their expression with the needs of our fellow human beings so that all are benefited and inspired to unfold and express more of their inner spiritual resources. The exchange of merchandise and money is merely incidental to the spiritual association and growth. Money success comes as a result, but there are other results that should be sought and rejoices over even more than the financial return. So the theme for the month is generosity. And I brought up this quote because I feel like we're on our journey, our spiritual journey, and some people find that to be a very inward journey. And I believe that that is true, but it is also at the same time a journey we walk in the world. We have bodies, we take up space, we interact with people, we I know none of y'all are sitting on a mountaintop in a cave all by yourself. So therefore, it is a journey that we are on together with other people, and which is wonderful because generosity is something that we usually engage with in community. And even more so, I think that it's so important to remember that no one is completely independent. Even those people who live off the grid still usually at some point get supplies from someone. So we're all interdependent, and that's a good way to live, and good way to remember that we are in community with each other. And so our unfoldment, our spiritual unfoldment, that inner process is connected with each other. And we've all had experiences, I would assume, where someone has lifted up or changed the world for us in a big way or a small way. And we probably have done that for another, and we may not have even known it. So determining what our souls require in order to cause them to unfold more of God, which can be, noticing where we're having sticking points, can notice where we have an unmet need, those kinds of things, and then to harmonize that expression with the needs of our fellow human beings so that all are benefited to inspire. I would say to create a world that works for all.